everybody, welcome. Now then, today, something nice and simple, going to be done in the air fryer. I've bought this from Aldi. I haven't tried these myself. They're not new, but we're having them. Fancied a bit of fish. 2 extra large beer battered haddock fillets. Take them off because they're my different glasses. Succulent flaky fillets coated in a chip shop style beer batter. Quite expensive. Let's open them up and let's have a look. So I say yes, specially selected. There was £4, forgot now, 69 pence I think. Got the receipt somewhere. Let me just check. Yeah, £4.69 there was. But I say, nowadays, I mean, everything's gone up in it, so depends what you call expensive. And it says suitable for air fryers, which is quite good. So there's the cows. I'm gonna have to put my reading glasses on, hold on. 533 calories per fillet. Instructions somewhere. Oh, I've got no chance of reading that. Have yourself a look. Can't even read how you cook it. Mine is going in the air fryer anyway, so I don't know whether that's blurred or whether that's my eyes. I couldn't tell you guys. I'm not sure. I'm not sure whether that's blurred. You'll know anyway when you see it, or whether it's my eyes. It's going in the air fryer anyway. So I'm having them, and I'm having just some frozen chips with it. Now I'm not having any tartar sauce or anything with my fish. I didn't fancy tartar sauce, so I thought I would have some of this. I've done it on my channel before. It's new, it's not new now, it's been out ages now. But I got it in the cupboard. It's just like gravy granules. Put some in a jug, put a bit of water and mix it up. It's not the best, it's nowhere near as good as my flour, but for nice and convenient, I'm having that. So first things first, we'll open these up and have a look. See how big they actually are. They're not massive, are they? They're not massive. They're quite big, but they're not massive. Yeah, there's the 2. See, so these boxes again, in it. Look at the size of the boxes. Look again. Oops. The box always, doesn't it? Look, I mean the box is like there, so it always, you know, misleading in it again, you know. But anyway, let's get the air fryer warmed up. Okay, air fryer is warmed up. Bring it forward a bit so I can open the lid. There we go. Let's get a piece of fish in. And I'll get a few chips at the front. So there's only me having this today. So I don't need, I mean, I'm a bit hungry, so I'm going to have a few. But not loads. There you go, that'll about do me, I think. There we go, maybe 20 minutes or so. We will have a look. But I thought while that fish and chips is doing, I'll do myself some mushy peas. I didn't buy any from the shop, so I'm going to make my own. Just some peas in there, it's warming up. Once they're done, we'll drain them out, mash them up. Put a bit of mint in there, I suppose, some minty mushing peas. Job's a good one. Peas are done and drained. They're going to go back in the pan. I'm going to get a little bit of butter in there. I'm going to melt the butter, we're going to give them a little mash. And get a little bit of mint sauce in there. I think that should be about do with the butter, I think. Just a bit. Butter's melted now. I'm going to give them a little mash. Nothing special, just a little one, because I want like a bit of chunky bits in the old mushy peas. like so. And we want a little bit of mint sauce. And then towards the end, when everything's ready, we'll warm it back through. And maybe a little bit of pepper on top, and another little bit of butter at the end, I think, and that'll make it a bit more creamier. Right, we've got about 1 minute for the fish and chips. Peas are done. I've done some extra butter in there, mashed it a bit more, and now we're going to have 4 tablespoons of this. 1, 2, 3. I say this was about a pound. I think it was about a pound before. I'm not sure how much it is now. I've had it a while. And we want to add about 250 ml of water. Which is about there. Obviously that's per person. Give it a stir. A little bit watery. We just like gravy granules in it. Always add some more if you want it thicker, I suppose. I'll get a bit more of a mix. Get in there now, look. Right, let's dish up. Right, so we have the fish. Looks quite nice, doesn't it? Crunchy top. We have the chips. Get them on. They're hot, so. Get them to the. I've done far too many chips, look. That's the problem, isn't it, with these air fryers? It doesn't look like you do many, does it? I thought that'll do me just a few. There's loads there, look. Some of my homemade minted mushy peas on the side. I do like a few mushy peas, mate. I've already salted my chips, I've done them in the air fryer. And I'm going to stick a bit of curry sauce on top of my chips. No vinegar, don't like vinegar. There you go. Chip shop dinner, sort of. Right, let's have a taste test. As I say, there's only me having it. There's only me up the table. Nat's in the shower. I think Nat's just, she says she wants one of them Aldi sausage rolls. You know them Greg ones, Greg rip-off ones, whatever they are. She wants one of them tonight, so you can just have one of them, and I'm having a bit of fish and chips. So let me give you a closer look. There's my peas. I mean, they're only the cheap peas. That's all they are. You can't get better birds on that, can't you? But hey, cheap peas. Frozen chips, that was $1.35, I think, or something like that, for a big bag. And your fish. What did I say the fish was? £4.70, was it? £4.69, is that what I said? Can't remember. So £2.35 a fish or something in it. Which is still cheaper than the good old chippy in it. Won't be as good as the chippy, obviously. Let's try a bit of this chip first. No, actually, we'll try the fish first, because I've had the rest before. So I'm not having, I don't like lemon. So there's no lemon. I'm not having any tartar sauce. That's why I fancied curry sauce. There's the fish. And you can smell a bit of that the beer in there, the yeast, the barley, whatever you'll call it. Oh, I quite like that. That fish is quite chunky as well. It's leaving a little aftertaste in my mouth off the batter. But that's probably me with like the beer taste, because I don't drink, so I can put my glasses on, my eyes are killing me. So I can probably taste it a bit stronger than people that like do drink. Yeah, but I do like that. Okay. Let's try a chip with the curry sauce, which I've had before, so. I say for cheap curry sauce, well, it was cheap when I got it, and just put some water in and mix it, you can't go wrong with it. Obviously it's not nowhere near as good as that Mayflower, but that, for quick and convenience, bang, can't go wrong. I mean, mushy peas, I did put a bit of extra butter on, I could have put a bit more on actually to make them a bit more creamier. A little bit of cream, I didn't have any cream. Nice little touch of mint, bang on. But we're here for the fish, aren't we? That's what we're here for. You see how thick it is quite thick, isn't it? Shame they're not the size of the box though. Oh yeah, quite happy now. Quite happy. Love a bit of fish and chips. As I say, something simple, delicious, in the air fryer. You can get, I mean, you can get, you can get cheaper fish from Aldi or that. But that's quite nice. Would I pay the extra for it? I probably would, you know, because it is thick. It is thick. And I probably would. I would probably pay £4.5 for it, whatever it is, if there's two here. Yeah, there you go. All in all, I'm going to quite enjoy this. So, as I say, I am the old food guy. Give me a like, give me a subscribe. Till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.